and today we'll be trying Dairy Queen's Brownie Batter Blizzard. Man, that is so hard to say. Like, I really struggle with that. But this looks really easy to eat because this is just chocolate syrup and Blizzard and brownie batter. I hope that came out right. In my head, it doesn't sound right. But anyway, I am stoked because I love brownie bits in my ice cream. And let's rock and roll and see what we're getting out of this puppy right here. Those actually sound like, taste like cooked brownies. So like that's. Don't get me wrong, I love cooked brownies, but I was expecting batter. Yeah, these are fully cooked brownies. I mean, I know that's not torture because brownies and ice cream are fun, but it's like I was expecting batter. So yes, on a scale of 1 to 5, I'm going to give Dairy Queen's Brownie Batter Blizzard 4 scoops of happiness.